Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we are visiting the Tombs of Amyntas, also known as Lycian tombs. Fethiye city is known for its diverse tourist attractions. The Turkish Riviera has a lot to offer, from cultural history to its beautiful locations. Fethiye offers activities like boat tours, beaches, paragliding and trekking. The Lycian tombs are one of the best attractions to visit while being in Fethiye. The Lycian Way is a trekking route between ancient leftovers of the tombs built into the mountain. It starts from Fethiye and continues towards Antalya for approximately 500 kilometers, where it ends near Konyaalti. The trail runs through the ancient Lycia. According to historians, Lycian people lived in the prehistoric Late Bronze Age. They built cities along the Mediterranean Sea coast such as Santos, Patara, Myra, Pinara, Toulouse, Olympos, and Phaselis, which formed the Lycian Lee. Thanks to their strategic locations, they had best opportunities for sea trade and even piracy. In later times, the area of Lycia was occupied by the Persian Empire, ancient Greece, and then controlled by ancient Rome, Byzantine Empire, Seljuk Empire, and finally the Ottoman Empire. Rock-cut tombs on cliff walls in the region testify to the Lycian civilization. The Tomb of Amyntas, also known as the Fethiye tombs, are built onto the cliff walls of Fethiye city. This place was known as ancient Greek city of Telmessos, which was at that time a province of the Achaemenid Empire. Currently in the district of Fethiye in Mughla province, located in Aegean region of Turkey. Cut into the side of mountains, sitting above Fethiye, the Lycian rock tombs looks like they are gazing towards them. They have all the earmarks of being lavish doorways driving into the mountain, and where the Lycian people bury their respected dead. These burial places were built in the Lycian ages in 350 BC. After a scripture found from the site with Greek engraving, these were named as Amyntas, child of Hermagus. There is a small feast to the entrance of the tombs, and then you have to climb approximately 200 steps to reach the main tomb. The tomb is built into the rocks of mountain and have small opening inside, which seems just to be made for the dead bodies. There are tombs which have more space inside, but they can be found in the Lycian way. The condition of the tomb is quite good and it's very well maintained. The craftsmanship shows that people were highly skilled to carve into the mountain to build these tombs. So let's continue with our tour and enjoy the video. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like and comment down below, as I will be uploading video from the Butterfly Valley and the amazing trek to its waterfall. So stay connected. Thank you.